Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Dashlane for dark web monitoring. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Dashlane for dark web monitoring, start by navigating to the Dashlane website. On the home page, look for the option to sign up. Click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you want to use for your Dashlane account. Next, create a strong master password. Ensure your password is unique and contains a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your password, confirm it by typing it again. Once you have filled in the required fields, click on Create Account. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Dashlane. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Dashlane website. Log in with the email and password you just created. Once logged in, navigate to the Dark Web Monitoring section. You will see an option to enable dark web monitoring. Click on the Enable button to activate this feature. Follow any additional prompts to input your information for monitoring. Dashlane may request personal information like your name and addresses. Provide the requested details to enhance monitoring capabilities. After completing this step, your account is now set up for dark web monitoring. You will receive alerts if any of your information is found on the dark web. Make sure to check your account regularly for updates and alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.